The COVID-19 virus has taken 2020 for a drift, and the end of this pandemic at a global stage is yet to be announced. We definitely need something better than face masks, which are just at the point of preventing the virus from spreading to more people around the world. The world is hoping and expecting for a vaccine to cure the victims entirely. But how is a vaccine going to help us fight a virus in our body? COVID-19 is one of the deadliest viruses in the history. No doubt about that. Like all viruses, the cure to this one should also come from the inside. Although there are other ways to treat most diseases, viral infections like this require a medicine to be developed biologically. In history, scientists discover the antivirus by testing the virus on animals, or worse, humans. The intention is solely dependent on trial and error to find biological forms that are immune to the tested virus, which is believed to be produced by their own body. However, the same approach is surely inapplicable in the case of COVID-19. But fortunately, that's not a dead end to the world of biology. Naturally, people obtain immunity due to their environment. As time passes, nurtured by survival instincts, our body evolves to develop the required antibodies to fight against the basic viruses found in our body. So, we are aiming to initiate our immunity to fight COVID-19 virus. How exactly do we ignite this biologically? COVID-19 is a very complicated virus, and it has been evolving too, which has been identified when the UK realized the implication of this second wave few weeks ago. The main challenge the scientists face is to study the biological composition of this coronavirus, since deep microbiological view is needed. Before we could go any further, head on to our channel to find more interesting videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos. Once we manage to study COVID-19 virus in a lab, the process gets to the next stage. Scientists have to find out the particular chemical released by the virus that causes the fatal effects in humans. After this success, we have 4 different types of vaccines to produce: whole virus, protein subunit, nucleic, and viral vector. Whole virus is the actual virus without the capability to replicate. Protein subunit is a harmless part of the coronavirus. Nucleic type of vaccine is simply the mRNA message of the COVID-19 virus. Finally, viral vectors vaccines consist of microbes that mimic the actual viral infection. When the vaccine is injected into the bloodstream, the body's defense mechanism will realize the presence of a foreign pathogen in our body. Before the body's immune system fights the infection, the defense memory is recalled. Since our white blood cells have never faced coronavirus, the process of eliminating the virus will be hard for them. But this is where the intelligence of biologists plays its part. Fighting and killing the weakened or dead virus will be way easier than facing an active virus of this kind. Technically, we are introducing our immune system to the deadly virus, which will alert our body to produce more antibodies when needed. This is simply a systematic action of being prepared, to eliminate the threat faster the next time we are infected with a similar virus. But these antibodies may disappear over time. Just because our immune system has the memory of fighting the COVID-19 virus, it can always reinitiate the protection whenever needed. This means the immunity is going to remain in the bodies of those who took the vaccine and sometimes passed down to the next generation as genetic memory. Well, that may not bring an end to all our concerns yet. Many are stormed by the thoughts that the vaccines being produced now may be ineffective against the evolved COVID-19 virus. According to the authorities, the vaccines can still be used to treat patients infected with the second type of virus, although they can be less effective when compared to the first type of this virus. It all comes back to the basic idea of vaccines: to build immunity against the injected pathogen. Luckily, this applies to both the infected and uninfected. Whatever it is, we cannot completely deny the fact that the COVID-19 virus itself can grow stronger to ensure their very own survival. But this may take a very long time, which leaves us at an urgent state to get this pandemic to an end as soon as possible. We know that these are hard times for everyone, but the only way we get through this is together. Self-precaution is undeniably essential to survive during this pandemic, but let's not get fed up with this new lifestyle. Just remember that none of us are safe until the vaccines reach every corner of the world and we wipe out coronavirus completely from its existence. Let's just stay with our fingers crossed for a future free of pandemic. Hey, we all know some of us are afraid of injections, but this is an entirely different case. Will you be willing to get the COVID-19 vaccine? Let us know in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more interesting facts from Quantum Vimana.